Those who know me know that I'm obsessed with nut butters, and I eat them every single day. I eat them straight from the jar, on toast, oatmeal, yogurt bowls, salads, you name it, basically anything and everything. I will show you in this video how I make my own almond butter. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the raw almonds on a baking sheet and toast them for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to keep a close eye on them because nuts burn super quickly. Once the almonds are nice and toasted, let them cool for about 10 minutes. Transfer the warm almonds to a food processor or a high-speed blender and blend until creamy. I like adding sea salt, but it's completely optional. Depending on your blender, you may have to stop a few times and scrape down the sides. You will see the almonds go into different stages while blending. You're gonna have to be patient until you achieve the desired texture, smooth and creamy. Transfer to an airtight container or a mason jar and enjoy.